Let me show you one of my plushies that I've collected over the past year or so, starting in late 2019. Now this is Billy the Saint Bernard. I've been let's say I've been sleeping with him for the past year or so. He's my first major plushie that I've been regularly cuddling and snuggling with. Actually, one of the most curious dogs. Now, to be honest with you, Saint Bernard is actually one of my favorite pets. And I see him as a friend of sorts. Actually, I met him on late December on Big Lots in Baltimore. I just saw his face and I couldn't resist abandoning. I couldn't abandon him. He was just too cute to abandon. I bought him and I actually literally carried him on the back to Best Buy. I actually brought Billy to a window shop with me. Brought Billy to window shop. Sorts. And then I head back to the train station, and we read all the way from the we read the light rail into a mark rail station. We transferred from the light rail station to the mark rail station, all the way to near my temporary home was. Now, believe it or not, the mark station was within walking distance of the it was within walking distance of the temporary home I was in. So I actually carried this plush with me on my back, sometimes on my back, and sometimes with me, carry on my with me with this way to the home. And as soon as I got home, we both I actually, when I got home, as soon as I got in bed, I brought Billy with me and hugged him all night long. As if I consider this the greatest Christmas present I've bought. I've been cuddling with him almost every day. Now, I've been collecting plushies for quite some time, for many years, but I wasn't this heavily collecting plushies until 2019. Now, this is my first plush I bought in 2017. Actually, it was in 2016, if I remember. 2015, 2016, if I remember. This boy, John the Bear, and he actually slept with me on my back. He actually slept on my back when I was sleeping for the past 2 years. Since 2016. I actually bought this bear during Black Friday. And at one time, it was almost taken away from me at Best Buy, at another Best Buy, because they thought that it was unpurchased. I immediately caught that guy, and I told him it was my bear, and I had the receipt, and he gave it back to me. Black Friday is one of the most chaotic times in every year. Now, thank God I bought this bear, because I've never seen this type of bear ever again. I actually bought this bear at Target. And this bear I actually carried this bear around with me on the Metro Rail from actually I actually bought this bear first at Target at Columbus Heights. Columbus Heights Target, and I don't remember. I don't remember which Target I bought this at. I don't know if it was in Columbus Heights Target or in the other Target in Wheaton. Probably was Wheaton. Yeah, definitely Wheaton Target. And actually, I carried this bear with me at the Metro Rail. Actually, make sure that he was well protected. Actually, hugged that bear with me on the Metro Rail until I get home. That's all the way. Here's another bear I bought. Sammy. And I'm named Sammy after one of the store owners that have these bears that actually offer bears for sale at the Wheaton Mall. And that Wheaton Mall guy, and that store owner at Wheaton Mall, the gift store, he still owns the store. He still has the store. He's still in business, even during the great lockdown of 2020. God bless the guy. And he's part of my family of plushies. Part of my family of plushies. Big and plump. So cute. Wait, I found no plush. I found. I actually bought this plush at the Nacho Crime at Baltimore. Some people on my Twitch streams many years ago suggested I call him Skates, the sea turtle. And he and Bojan slept on my back during 2016, 2017. Yeah, I started my Twitch streams on 2017, so that's how he got the name. So that's how Bojan and Skates got their names. It was suggested through one of the Twitch followers. Here's another plush that I've pre-ordered. I've ordered, which I wish you saw at New York Comic Con and Austin Con. I actually bought this at eBay. This large Rick Sanchez plush from Rick and Morty. One of the plushies I slept with and cuddled with, snuggled with. And I believe now I've been cosplaying as Rick, as a black variant of Rick, from let me see, I don't remember which years, 2017, 2018, maybe far back as 2016. Don't remember the years, but thank God I bought this plush when I had a chance through eBay. Now this is a polar bear plush. And I actually bought this plush during anime NYC before I went to anime NYC at the Target store at Penn. I mean, not Target, but Kmart. There used to be a Kmart store, a huge Kmart store in Penn Station, New York City, before they went out of business early 2020. I actually carried this plush around almost everywhere I go during my trips to the therapist from late 2019 to March 2020. This is one of the other bears I bought from Sammy. I actually got three polar bears. Three polar bears. There's this huge life-size polar. It's actually a panda bear. I meant to say panda bear. There's three panda bears. There's this one massive panda bear that is life-size with a small panda bear similar to this size, but this one is slightly more plush, more sizier. And as soon as I got this plush, as soon as I got home, I've snuggled with him and cuddled him for the first few hours I came there. I have no regrets buying this bear. Now this plush is actually a Gengar plush that's been on pre-order for months during 2020. The actual shipment date got delayed month after month, but I finally got it. And it's still cute. Still kept its form ever since. Might need to get a refill. The plush, the inside part of this plush might need to get a refill, but it still has the same size. Now my dream is to have a life-size Pokemon plush. Either of a Gengar, either of a Hypno, or even a Slog. So I can have a sleeping companion with. But I really need a bigger house and a bigger room. Maybe a second room to place all my plushies. If I can get a life-size Pokemon plushie. Do any of these? Yeah. That'd be the greatest gift of all time. Now I do have some life-size Pokemon plushies. Such as this Jigglypuff that I bought during Anime Matsuri. Now finding life-size Pokemon plushies, official ones are rare. Rare. And this is a basset hound I bought from Big Plush. One of the most plumpiest plushes I've ever bought. Second to the large Panda plush. I mean, he's so huge that you can actually cuddle, snuggle, and caress him all night. Basically this the I actually own four dog plushes. A small one, two small one, two medium-sized one, a long dog, and Billy, and this one's the largest dog plush. You know what I want? A house of my own with a dedicated plush pile. A room with a dedicated plush pile. God, that would be the dream. So, for those of you wondering, yes, I'm a plushophile. One who collects plushies, which I've been doing so since let's say 2014. From 2014 to 2015 to now. Basically, I'm a collector of plushies, and I enjoy hugging, cuddling, and snuggling with plushies during the night. And sometimes during the day, I have these cuddle fits where I need to cuddle with a plush in order to be comfy, in order to make myself feel good. And I can cuddle with some of the larger plushies in any shape and size. One of my plans is to create a sort of plush cuddling and snuggling. All I got started on the first pictures, and I want to do more. I mean, so much of a plush pile that my bed actually doubles as a plush pile. And during some days, I actually take a nap in my plush pile and cuddle one of my plushies. Sometimes it'll be Billy, sometimes it'll be this dog here. Sometimes it'll be with Gengar, sometimes it'll be with the Panda Bear. Because these plushies during the winter actually give you a lot of warmth. Because their furry size. So good. Beautiful thing about it being a plushophile is that plushies don't betray you. They never lie to you. They keep your secrets. And they don't abandon you. And they always be with you. Even if you're sad, if you're happy, they're just there for you always. Sorry, I can't resist. Can't resist. This is what I go to. This is what I go through almost every day. I see plushies as a source of emotional comfort, emotional support and comfort. This is why I buy them and collect them. My dreams are human-sized plush or life-size plush of one of my favorite characters. Oh God. And if I can have that, my life would be, my life would be good. Oh, that's it. Thanks for watching.